We're with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're on a move out cleaning early this morning. Finally got our Ryobi in here under warranty. That was great. Thank you guys for sending that in. So we're back to using no pump sprayers. All right. So as you can see, we have a pretty nasty apartment here. We're doing, our common end cap. We were like, oh my gosh, how can you end cap, Look at all those stains. Well, you'll see. As you know, technology gets better as we continue to go. First, in my generation, we started with Nokia phones, then went to the Razr. Now we have iPhones with one button, okay? And you can also look up, the first carpet extractor that was made in the early 90s. So that just tells you right there, how old everything is. We're in 2023 now. Just like we got SpaceX, wars fighting in space. Well, now we have, wars we can fight and stains on your carpet. So if we can fight wars in space, we can fight these wars right here on your carpet, right here on Earth. And we're gonna go ahead and get to it. As you can see, we're using a 175 buffer. We got our spray solution. I actually boosted it, made it a little bit stronger here with some special product. Pretty much what we're gonna do, we are going to turn our sprayer on. All right. And we are going to go ahead and start spraying here. Get the things unlocked. All right, so we're laying down our solution here. So you got it coming out of the sprayer. Not too much, not too little, just a nice layer. We're actually gonna do the whole room. There's no airflow in here. There we go, it's really pumping now. Pump had to go ahead and warm up. All right, prime itself. Alright, so you see here, just putting the solution down. Actually gonna turn it down some. Alright, I said I boosted this one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean this room here. And then we'll show you what it looks like after we're done. And the main area I want to show you, of course, is the stains, because that's the fun stuff. I love a good challenge. All right, we're back. We made it to the living room here. Those two stains there. I already pre-treated this area. Actually, that one's coming out, but we still have to vacuum afterwards to put our lines in and get some of the residue up. We're using a hog hair pad here. What that hog hair does, you can see there's a bunch of hair tied up inside there. So that's what that's going to be doing. And let's see, can't zoom in anymore. But there's like pieces you can see like built up. See this piece of hair. So it's extracting all that stuff out, and then we're going to go ahead and vacuum that up. I want to hit the stains on the sodium here, stain there, and treated it. Just want to hit the stains here so we can idea, show you what we're doing. Oh man, what are you doing? Alright, stains now gone. Stains gone, let's put the light there. Alright. Stain in here. I don't know what these stains are. Somebody that lived here for probably 2 years. And the stains are gone now. So all this could be up. This encapsulation process is great for commercial properties that we do a lot of commercial. You see we're going to move out right now. It's just a new way. We do still have steam machines. We steam in very difficult situations. The steam's really not good, only because it heats up the carpet, the padding underneath. You see the carpet has those ripples inside of it. That means the carpet's been stretched, or needs to be stretched back to its original state. And the only way that happens is by constantly getting the steam clean. It's heating up the plastic and the fibers inside the carpet. Unless you have a natural carpet, which is like, wool or something of that sort. But otherwise than that, it's no good. These polyesters here can take a lot of beating. And they're what we like to call man-made and not God-made. God-made are natural fibers. So let's keep that in mind there. You can see that here, it's just really getting all this stuff up here. It's looking really good. Really satisfied with it. One of the property managers said, hey, if you get all this stuff up, so you bet you. Just give me about 30 minutes here and I'm gonna mix my solution up. So all it is, the solution. The stuff we use is good for cold weather. We're in cold weather here. We actually use a powder form, but my booster is actually a liquid. But we're in Pennsylvania, so it's cold right now. I mean, you can't tell, but it's about 20 degrees outside. All right, so got another nasty little stone here, this walkway area. Heavy traffic. Like I said, I boosted this corner. So you should definitely be able to get some of the sun stuff up here. Make something out nice. Satisfied with these results. I'm saying no issues at all. No issues at all here. Alright, there's another little stain in there. Let's go ahead and hit that. I actually appreciate that too. And remember, I don't know what any of these stains are in a third person's house. You really don't know. And this is all about what you know, how you handle the situation. All right, check that out. So like I said, we got a lot of pieces here. We're going to vacuum that up. But we'll finish this up here and stay tuned and I'll show you the after. Still got to do this room in here. No stains in here really. I got two here. But we'll get them all up. Stay tuned. Also keep in mind, you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. We post at least once a week. Try to stay current with the algorithm. And if you want to see anything as well, go ahead and let us know. People are like, oh, well, why don't you pre-vacuum? As you can see, I already pre-vacuumed this earlier before. So we didn't have to vacuum this time, but we'll vacuum on the way out. And stay tuned. All right, as you see, these carpets turned out really good so far. Like I said, we're going to do a vacuum. As you can see, this is the stuff that the pad is pulling up. So people are like, how do you get the stuff out of the carpet? Well, we're using a hog hair pad, and that's what it does. It lifts all the stuff up out of there. There's a lot of dirt or hair, wherever this hair came from. I don't know if it's a pet or not. Really didn't examine it that well. Yeah, pretty busy day. That's why we're up so early. But early bird catches the worm, right? All right, so we're going ahead and pulling a lot of this up here. And you can see this pad just does a great job. All right. I know a lot of people are skeptical when they see just a pad. They're like, where's your water? You don't want to flood a carpet with water, man. All you're doing is just creating longer dry times, leaving moisture behind, wasting water for the earth, of course. And you can just see how great the carpet turned out. You've seen all those stains. All the stains are up. Everything's clean and deodorized and fresh. All right. So, just going back, you got to do a little bit of manual work here. Pick a lot of this stuff up, but it's all right. So I got all that up here. So just a few little loose pieces. We're using a pretty beat up vacuum. When you see it, please keep in mind the reason why it's so beat up is because, oh, there's a nail in there. I would never do that. There's a nail. That's what I see. They put a nail in there because the carpet's been pulled up from the padding, but from cleaning. But long story short here, we're using a pretty old vacuum. It's not actually old. It's actually only 2 months old, believe it or not. A lot of dust and stuff on it. That's just from the carpets. When we do these move outs, they do a lot of drywall. So when we hit they do like drywall sanding, patch the holes. There's some over here. Like you see, there's a little bit of dust on there. All right, that's just from them drywalling. So keep in mind, we do clean our equipment and stuff like that. There's some more up here. There's some drywall up there, see? So that's just when we hit it, it's just dusty. But keep in mind here, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of all this hair that is. We're gonna take some of our stuff out here, and then we'll come back and do a vacuum, and we'll head out. All right, carpets will dry in 1 hour. Stay tuned. Pad here just to show you how much stuff is inside. Like there's a little rock chip in there. You got all this hair on the side here. I mean, this place was really messed up, so we use the other side too, but actually I don't think we use this other side. Whatever, this is so beat up. All right, so here, show you the vacuuming. From the vacuuming we're getting done here. Very simple. What this is doing is it's loosening up the fibers here. All right, picking up a lot of the leftovers that the pad can pick up. Call it grooming the carpet here. That's what we're really doing. That's opening them up, loosening them up, allowing them to air dry, allowing them to stand up pretty much straight. All right, then we're getting the loose contaminants that are on the carpet. It's gonna look really good. Looks good now, but. A lot of debris here. Going in sections here, really taking our time. Make sure we're hitting the whole carpet. Alright, I got a lot more vacuuming to do. For the sake of the video and time, I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. And I'll show you. Alright, check that out. All the stains are up. Everything's looking good. This property management company is going to be very happy here. Let me check all that out. Those indentations, you can't really get up. That's just like wear and tear on your tire. Once it's worn down, it doesn't really come back. But I mean, it looks great. All right, all those stains that was there on the side, over here. I mean, like I said, I didn't even know what those were, but took care of it, handled it. All right, if you're in Lancaster area, Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Carlisle, any area, and central Pennsylvania, please give us a call and let us know. We're gonna get you guys clean and get you going. And of course, if you like what you see, give us a like, and also, put what you like to see in the comments in the future. We'll go ahead and cater to you because you are our customer. And stay tuned for the next one. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home, we let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.